and an empty hallway, and the pale dead moon, and the sky streaked with grey, and human kindness is overflowing. Well, I think it's going to rain today. And the scarecrows dressed in the latest styles, with frozen smiles they'll try to chase the love away. And their human kindness is overflowing. So I think that it's going to rain today. Lonely, lonely, tin can at my feet, think I'll kick it down the street. Yeah, that's the way to treat your friends. Oh, bright before me, a sign employs me. You help the needy and you show them the way. And their human kindness is overflowing. But I think it's going to rain.